So here we have the all-new 2024 Maruti Suzuki Swift, and it's also known as the Gen 4 Swift. So the engine has come from 4-cylinder to 3-cylinder, and the body parts have been more stylish now. And from the design-wise, they've gone from hood to the boot. So this year we have three variant options. So firstly, we have the LXI and the VXI and the ZXI, and the two gearbox options: manual for the enthusiasts and the automatic for the comfort rides. But you may ask, why the change from K to Z? It's just because to reduce the emissions and increase the fuel economy. But yes, from 4 cylinders to 3 cylinders, there is a decrease in power, but the torque has gone up. You may not feel it, but when you ride it along, you will feel it eventually. The biggest change would be the 6000 RPM limit. The engine handles very well in low and mid ranges. The biggest drawback in AMT gearbox is that it doesn't allow the user to handle it very well. There is a slight change in the handling wise. The rear has gone a little hard, and we could feel it in the rear seat. But on high speeds, it's very stable, and with ESP, it is very more confident. And for interiors, the seats have changed. It is really comfortable. It almost feels like I'm sitting in a bucket seat. There's a change in infotainment system too, and the rear AC vents are a blessing to the passengers. Nowadays, we've seen every vehicle coming up with touch controls. With this, it has knobby buttons. You don't have to watch yourself and look onto buttons everywhere. Without even a glance, you can find out the buttons. It is more comfortable now. And some variants do offer cruise control too. Suzuki claims to have 25 km per liter as a fuel economy, but in real world, it depends on every driver. It might be 18, it might be 20 or 22. It's up to you. This iconic hatchback has not only grown in terms of design, but it also boasts a wider range of trims for your need and a budget. Let's break down the options offered by the Swift and how it performs with its rivals.
Starting with the foundation, the basic variant, LXI, priced at a competitive 6.49 lakhs, offers essential features like halogen headlamps, manual air conditioning, and a basic infotainment system. It is a great choice for budget-conscious buyers who prioritize practicality. Stepping up a notch, the VXI, priced at 7.30 lakhs, adds a touch of comfort and convenience with features like power windows, central locking system, and upgraded infotainment system with SmartFood connectivity, offering a well-rounded package at a similar price point. Looking for a bit more, the VXI, priced at 7.57 lakhs, throws in some extras like alloy wheels, automatic climate control, and cruise control. Now let's talk about driving dynamics. The ZXI, priced at 8.30 lakh, comes equipped with Suzuki's refined 1.2-liter petrol engine and focuses on a sportier persona. It boasts features like LED headlamps, fog lamps, and a sportier instrument cluster, making it a strong contender for those who prioritize driving pleasure, offering a more engaging driving experience. Finally, the top of the line ZXI Plus, priced at 9.30 lakh, goes all out with features like sunroof, automatic headlamps, and a premium infotainment system. It caters to drivers who demand the absolute best in terms of technology and comfort. So with all these choices, how does the Swift fare against its rivals? Here's the lowdown. The Swift continues to impress with its fuel efficiency, a major advantage in today's market. While some rivals offer slightly more power or features in certain variants, the Swift remains a strong all-rounder, especially when considering its competitive pricing. However, there are a few things to consider. The base variant might feel a bit too basic for some, lacking features like power windows, a touchscreen infotainment system. Additionally, a ride on the stiffer side of things, which some might find uncomfortable on a particularly rough roads. But let's not forget the Swift's strengths. It boasts a spacious and comfortable interior for its size, especially when compared to some rivals. The improved safety features, including a stronger chassis and multiple airbags, offer a peace of mind. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Swift remains a joy to maneuver, offering responsive handling and a zippy engine that's perfect for city driving.
So with all these options, how does the Swift perform against its rivals? So is the 2024 Suzuki Swift a perfect match for everyone? Probably not. But for those who are seeking a reliable, fuel-efficient, and a fun-to-drive hatchback, this might be the one. And maybe it's time to go swifting.